What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? We're at the dyno, Keith's pit stop in Gettysburg, PA, and we're doing some what are you pacing around for? We're doing some dynoing of some cars. We have a very nice Z06 that just got off the dyno, put down 483. Where's that dyno sheet out there, buddy? 483 horsepower, 446 foot-pounds of torque right there. Air fuel was real rich at the bottom, or air fuel was real rich at the top, so we leaned it out, got that all straightened out, made some good power. So
great.
What do you think? That's the owner right there, guys. But it is a very beautiful car. Very, very beautiful car. And he's going to be doing like heads and cam and a supercharger and turbo and all kinds of stuff in the future with us.
Thanks, Andy.
We're going to make like 800 million horsepower. It's going to be amazing.
Well, I hope so. Thank you so much.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you coming out. It's been fun. Enjoy it. If you have any issues, any check engine lights, anything like that, let me know.
Certainly do that.
Other than that, you're good to go, boss.
All right. Well, you take care.
You too, man.
Thanks.
See ya. So now he's leaving, and the next car on the dyno, which is going to be like the main event here. We also have a pro-charged C5 that we're doing today as well. We're not doing anything to the slow Mustang. We don't want to get ran over, right, Keith?
Whatever you say.
I know, right? Well, we have the ZL1 here, and Keith's going to be getting this thing on the dyno, and we're going to do, you know, do some passes, see what goes on. I'm hoping to see 900 horse out of this thing on a stock LSA. What do you think? No? Doubtful? I think it might do it. It'd be pretty cool if this car does it. So we're gonna do a gas tune first and see what it does on gas, on fuel. And then we're gonna get some E85. We're gonna drain the gas out, put E85 in it, and then we're gonna retune for E85 because it does have a flex fuel sensor. Now this ZL1, guys, has the new interchiller from Forced Inductions in Australia. So it's not running an AFCO heat exchanger anymore. It's running a stock heat exchanger and running the interchiller. So we've seen a 70-degree drop in temperature from 140 to about 70 degrees on this car with this setup. Very, very amazing setup. First link in the description is their information. Check them guys out. They're freaking amazing. Plus it also has their lid spacer, supercharger lid spacer. Oh, there he goes. I think he's happy. So we're gonna start this thing up. It also has, like I said, it also has Forced Inductions supercharger lid spacer on it as well, which does work with the faster proms. Very, very loud. Very, very loud. It does work with the faster proms thermal reduction plates as well. So you can use it in conjunction with both of them, which is nice. But this should be a very interesting setup. It does have our custom cam in it, and it does have a set of ported heads and all the bolt-ons, Corsa Extreme exhaust, as you guys can hear, Cook's long tube headers, full suspension is done on this vehicle. It's definitely a lot of work. There's a lot of time, a lot of money into this thing. So hopefully it pays off. We're gonna see how much pounds of boost it pushes, also on the dyno as well. So should be pretty interesting, guys. Yep, you're good.
Look, Lewis, I told you it wasn't going to be loud, all right? I lied.
So that one, we got our earplugs now, our ear muffs, because it's way too damn loud in this car.
stupid crazy.
Stupid crazy. It did make 833 torque on the first pass on pump gas. What was it? Horsepower 780 something or 7 something? I don't know. Heads cam setup. 782. So we're gonna do. We had a little bit of timing. We're gonna play around, see if we can make some more power. And then we're gonna put E in it and send her. You know, we're gonna send her.
Just send it.
There you go, Mitch. Go ahead
Okay.
and start taping her loudly.
I'm gonna get it.
Alrighty, Keith, as you guys can see, this thing is damn loud. It's way too loud, to be honest, in my opinion. Like at wide open throttle, it's crazy what this thing sounds like at wide open. So we got new numbers, we added some timing, and it did 839, 791 horse, which ain't bad. It did not do the 822, 825, guys, just so you know. That's from the previous run that we did without all the stuff in it. Air fuel still looking kind of good. We might actually do one more pass and add a little bit more air fuel, or a little bit more fuel to it, just to keep it on the safe side when it comes to fuel, gas. And then the E85, we'll be putting that in and doing that then as well. So that should be pretty wicked, guys. So we're hoping for some good numbers. We'll see what happens. You should be down.
Good luck, good luck.
All right, buddy, rub the happy belly. When you want to make horsepower, you got to rub the happy belly.
Power. You don't want this to rub your belly.
Ooh, oh my God, your shit's cold. What happened? Oh.
Ready?
Speed, where'd you get from?
I got it.
You good?
I have it, yep. Let's do Tommy T-car now. That's just one. 79 degrees. Let's see if we can get it down lower. That is on too, so. 75 degrees. 72 degrees. Oh yeah, 70 degrees. Here we go. The temperature's at 138, so 66 degrees. Probably let it get up to like 150, 160 temp. 64 degrees. That's what I like to see. Huh?
I don't like this song.
63. We're at 150 coolant temp.
Ready?
151. Let's go to 160 just to be on the safe side. 153. It's staying at 62, 61 degrees. Dude, this thing's gonna make some fucking power. Are you excited? What?
Not really.
Unbelievable. What the fuck?
854.
Oh, holy shit, dude. 822 horse, 850 fucking on pump gas. Shit. On pump gas, motherfucker.
Shit, are you serious?
What was the torque?
854.
854 torque,
Holy
822
shit.
horsepower on
Woo!
pump gas, dude.
Holy shit.
We got the temperatures down to 61 degrees. 822, that's fucking nuts. That is nuts, man. That did it. You just got to get things cold enough. You get them cold enough, they work.
Shit, man. All this fancy bullshit. Like icy
Look at the air fuel is perfect. 12.0 across the board at the tailpipe, which means at the engine, up at the header, it's 11.5, 11.6 air fuel. So that's very, very good air fuel. The horsepower is freaking amazing. The torque is freaking amazing. Now we're gonna tune for E85. Huh?
Any good news?
You know. Same old, same old.
Yeah. Fuck, man.
I know, man. I just don't know. We got it down to 61 degrees, though.
I didn't make any more.
Yeah. Well, I made a little bit more.
So fucking weird, bro.
I know, right? It did make 870 foot-pounds of torque, though. But it made 843 horse.
43.
Yeah.
Well,
Or do one more pass just to see. It's not going to do any. I don't think it's going to do any better than that right now.
yeah.
I mean, it's pretty much making that. It's making 1,000 at the crank, dude. And you're making over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque at the crank. This engine's going to blow the fuck up. 870 foot-pounds of torque ain't no joke, though. And torque wins races, not horsepower. Now that Lewis's car is done, we put obviously the C5 Corvette on the dyno with the P1SC Pro charger and heads cam, right? Heads cam? Heads cam, an ECS boost cam or NA cam maybe, I guess. We don't really know what the cam is because he bought it that way. But it is a P1SC Pro charger set up on there, and stock blow-off valve, you know, just OEM blow-off valve, and it made 550 horsepower basically. The dyno sheet is coming. So 548, 484 torque on 3 pounds of boost. We did 3 pounds of boost, guys, which is freaking crazy, right, Keith? Oh yeah. I mean, that's pretty good numbers. Let's see what this dyno sheet looks like. This is just dyno world today. Look at that. That's crazy, dude. I mean, you're really not doing anything until later on. You can tell where it starts like going. But that's pretty wicked. That's pretty wicked. So we discovered why it's making 3 pounds of boost. It's because it has a aftermarket underdrive pulley on, which is tiny as shit. So it's not spinning the blower as fast as it needs to be spinning the blower. It should be making 10 pounds, 9, 10 pounds. And I think this car making 9, 10 pounds, you're easily see over 600 horse, no problem. Easily see. So what did it make before with just heads and cam?
434.
And whose dyno was that on? Was that on a dyno?
It was on a dyno jet.
It was a dyno-jet dyno, so it's pretty much kind of the same dyno. And so you picked up over 100 horsepower on 3 pounds of boost, basically. And methanol. There is a AEM methanol kit on the car. It was spraying, so you gained basically 120 to 130 horsepower with methanol and 3 pounds of boost.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it's pretty funny, guys. It is pretty funny. So we're done talking about it now. We're gonna get the right pulley, and we're gonna make 9 pounds of boost and 600 horse plus.
Yep.
So it's gonna be pretty awesome. All right, guys, there you have it. You've seen all 3 cars dyno tuned on Keith's Pit Stops Dyno. I want to give him a big shout out. The man is amazing. The dyno's amazing. We had such a fun time. That ZL1 put down some amazing torque numbers, and the white Corvette C5 for just being 3 pounds of boost did a really awesome job too. He plans on getting another pulley later on, an actual stock lower pulley that should be making 8 to 9 pounds of boost, and at that point in time, and we will definitely see some serious numbers out of that thing, probably around 600, maybe a little bit more, which would be pretty cool. But there you go, guys. Other than that, we're gonna end this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces.